Angelo V. Suada. Today we will tackle about consumer health, fourth quarter, week 3 to 5. Okay, children, what can you see on the screen? Yes, let's differentiate over-the-counter from prescription medicines. Over-the-counter, this kind of medicines are self-care decision. This can be bought without doctor's prescription. These medicines most likely had an untouched instruction on how much to intake, when to intake, and how to use it. Examples of OTC medicines are antacid, analgesic, antipyretic, antidiarrheal, and the last one is laxative. While prescription medicine, these are medicines that can be taken upon the prescription of a healthcare professional or doctor's recommendation. Taking this medicine requires series of laboratory tests and diagnosis. As example of prescription medicines are decongestant, antibiotic, antidepressant, and antihypertensive, and the last one is paracetamol. Now you know the difference between over-the-counter from prescription medicine. What can you see on the screen? Yes, very good. Professional healthcare workers. What can you see on the conversation of a nurse and a kid? Yes, the nurse is advising the small kid that always remember that over-the-counter and prescription medicines are dangerous when misused or abused. These two types of drugs are only safe if warnings and direction are carefully followed. So children, let's keep on our mind that we should think what medicines we take. Speaking of medicine, now let's move on to the next topic. What is medicine? So medicines came in different types. They may be liquid, tablet, capsule, cream, or lotion, powder, drops, inhalers, sprays, and injection. Medical professionals are medicines to help lessen the symptoms and effects of diseases, and can be even cure or get rid of the illness. Health providers prescribe medicines so that those who are suffering from ailments can continue to live normal lives. There are varieties of medicines that belong to the two types, the over-the-counter or OTC and prescription medicine or RX. Furthermore, researchers kept on inventing and discovering over-the-counter and prescription drugs to treat or cure diseases. Now let's proceed to over-the-counter medicine or OTC. These medicines are drugs that we can buy without doctor's prescription. Meaning to say, there is no doctor's permission what medicines to buy. Here are the example of over-the-counter medicines and their uses. Antacids help to treat heartburn, indigestion. They work by neutralizing the stomach acids that causes heartburn. Next, analgesics, also called painkillers, are medications that relieve different types of pain, from headaches to injuries to arthritis. Next is antipyretic, a drugs that reduces fever by lowering body temperature. Next now is antidiarrheal, work by decreasing the flow of fluids and electrolytes into the bowel and slowing down the movement of the bowel to decrease the number of bowel movements. And the last one is laxatives. Laxatives are a type of medicine that can treat constipation. They often use if lifestyle changes such as increasing the amount of fiber in your diet, drinking plenty of fluid, and taking regular exercise have not helped. Now, you know the different example and uses of over-the-counter medicines. Now let's move to prescription medicine. So prescription medicines are drugs that we can buy without doctor's prescription or authorization. Without the prescription of doctor, we can't buy the medicines. So here are the examples of prescription medicines and their uses. Decongestants are type of medicines that can provide short-term relief for a blocked or stuffy nose or nasal congestion. They can help ease the symptoms of conditions such as colds and flu, have fever, and other allergic reaction. Next now is antibiotics. Antibiotics are used to treat or prevent some types of bacterial infections. Next now is antidepressant. The main use of antidepressant is treating clinical depression in adults. They're also used for other mental health conditions and treatment of long-term pain. Next now is antihypertensive, a type of drug used to treat high blood pressure. These are many different types of antihypertensive agents, and they work in different ways to lower high blood pressure. The last one is paracetamol. It's a common painkiller used to treat aches and pain. It can also be used to reduce a high temperature. Now, you know the different example and uses of prescription medicines. This is the reminder for us children that we take medicines to fight diseases, to feel better when we are sick, and to keep from getting sick in the first place. Medicines act in many ways. Medicines cure a disease by killing or stopping the spread of germs such as bacteria and viruses. There are many pain relievers to kill pain and symptoms, sorters to relieve signs like coughing and vomiting. Medicines are also used to stop itching or allergy. Some people use medicines to control illnesses that do not immediately or completely heal, like high blood pressure and anxiety. Immunizations and vaccines are given to individuals to protect the body from infectious diseases. Vitamins and minerals are also taken to boost the immune system. We benefit from medicines that we use when we obtain its helpful effects to our body. Using medicine safely, read and follow the direction of the medicine labels carefully. Keep medicines in the original containers or packaging as they have instructions on the labels. Take medicines on time. Put medicines in a safe place away from children and pets. Use dropper, syringe, medicine cup, or dosing spoon that comes with the medicine. Never use teaspoons, tablespoons, or household spoons to measure medicines. Store medicines in a cool, dry place. Warm and damp places, like the kitchen or bathroom, can damage medicines. Some medicines need refrigeration. Check medicine labels for proper storage. Check the expiration date. Throw it away expired medicines and medicines you no longer use. And last one is ask your doctor, nurse, or pharmacist if you don't understand the directions in taking the medicines. Always remember, health is wealth. And that's all for today's lesson, class. Good morning and have a great break time. Thank you for listening.